Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the Safari search bar or the web address bar to a tab bar or a single tab on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, we scroll down, then in the Tabs section, tap on Tab Bar or Single Tab. When you select Tab Bar, the web address will be moved down to the bottom, and from here you can swipe across like this to move it back and forth. If you choose Single Tab, then your web address will be moved to the top, and it only shows one tab at a time. To move to the next tab, you need to switch them in here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.